This guide will cover how to use extras in Socket. It's going to show you how to add extras and also how clients will see extras when added onto proposals. Extras are simple add-ons that you can include in a proposal, giving flexibility to your client to tailor your services to their needs. Extras can be service items that you set up in Socket that you kind of want to give as an optional extra to your clients. This might be to support services already in your proposal or even bits of software or other add-ons. To start with, create your proposal as normal, complete the General tab as normal with client details, and then when you reach the Services tab, this is where you can add your extras on. When selecting regular services, you configure them and you choose Select. However, if we want to add one of those as an extra, choose the configuration, choose More Actions, and then select as Extra. What you'll then see, this is now tagged with the extra bubble, and on the right hand side you can see proposed extras with any extras you've chose to offer your client. This can be repeated for every extra you want to add on. When your client is navigating through the proposal, there's now a new tab shown for extras where all the extras you selected will be shown and the client will have the option to add to the proposal. If a client chooses any extras, they'll be added to the total fees but will always be flagged with the extras logo throughout. Any service schedule templates associated with the selected extras will also be added onto the documentation for your client. In Socket, any extras that have been selected or not selected will be shown separately from other services, so it's clear which extras have been taken on. These can be viewed on the Services tab of the proposal. You can see any that are flagged as extras, or by clicking the View Extras button, you can see which have been accepted and which have been rejected.